Here they are. All right, so first of all, there's only two, but the other two come tomorrow. My wheels are here, guys. Oh my God, am I excited. Spencer was making me help him dry off his truck, and then the FedEx lady pulled up, and I see these big ass boxes, and I'm like, oh my God, it's my wheels. It was my wheels. Yeah, there's only two. The other two are coming tomorrow. She said since they were shipped internationally, slight flex, they can come in staggered days like this. Okay. No, they came from the UK. Only some of y'all will understand at this point, but I'm gonna unbox them. I don't know if I want to throw them on the car. If I do, it's gonna be on wood blocks, and I'm gonna clean them off as best as I can because I'll be getting them powder coated tomorrow night if they come tomorrow night, or Friday night if they come then. Oh boy, you guys ready? You guys ready? I'm freezing. I think I should make a coffee first. So stay tuned though. We're gonna open these boxes. I'm so excited. And Ryan, when you're watching this, dude, right now, I know you've already seen the wheels at this point, but I'm so excited. And I went inside and found diet sweet tea with lemon. So let's get right into opening these things. You ready, dude? He just washed his truck. He's excited about that. All right.
It drops it and breaks it.
Dude, they've already been like thrashed on the way here. But these wheels are 18 by 9.5 -2. They're white. And guess right now in the comments down below. Just go ahead and do that first. But let's get right into this, I guess. The tires I got are 225 40s to go on the 9.5, so that should be a decently safe stretch. Should be good. Oh, dude, it's gonna be so annoying getting into these. The worst part about opening wheels is all of the trash that comes with it. But the best part is when you get new wheels. Probably gonna be like a cover on them inside the box too. I was so pissed when I looked at the arrival time. I was like, dang, they're gonna come Friday and I won't have a video up. But oh, dude, this is the wrong way. All right,
hold up.
Here's a little hint for you guys. These came a long way from the UK. 326 power lugs. We got the long ones in pink. That's pretty sick. Well, I guess they came from Japan to the UK to me. I don't really know, but regardless, they're sick. So, here they are. Ta-da! These wheels right here are 326 power Yaba King one piece, 18 by 9.5 -2. If I ever see a comment about what are your wheel specs, I'm not gonna answer it because I just said it. So the first thing you want to do when you get new wheels, especially like anything else when you've been shipping them, is check for damage. Because you don't want to get them on the car and realize it. You know, the companies won't realize that. But along with the wheels, that looks like that's gonna fall on mine. Along with the wheels and the lugs, I ordered Yaba King stickers, pink stickers, to go on the wheel. Now, I don't know how many are coming in each box. I don't really know what's gonna happen with that. I don't know if there's like 4 more in there or different ones in there. But I think I am gonna open that one. We'll pull the Skyline in here and put them on the car. I'm too excited not to. There's too much in the driveway though, so yeah, here are the wheels. One thing I just thought of that might be terrible, why is my camera always not pointed at me, is that if the center caps don't come with the wheel, no, I clicked silver center caps, so they gotta be in one of the boxes. I just don't know which one. I'm gonna make Spencer move his truck out of the driveway, and then we'll pull the Skyline in, open up the other wheel, and then I'm praying to God it fits over the front brake kit, If 326 makes wheels that don't fit over the big brake kits, I'm gonna be pissed. But anyways, I'll see y'all in a second. Not expected, but also not surprised. They don't fit. I'm gonna have to do other stuff to make them fit, but that's fine. It's called a build for a reason. You guys ready to see them on the, oh, well, you just saw the time lapse, but here you go. This will give you an idea, at least. Oh, that's hot. That one hits the caliper slightly, and that one's like all over the caliper, so we're gonna have to run some fat spacers, and unfortunately more camber than I would like. I'm gonna see what arms I should order. If you guys do have any recommendations though, let me know. I need about 5 degrees. That's all I'm really comfortable with going, and then I can have my fenders pulled. Don't worry, they're not gonna be flared like the BMW, but pulled nicely. Otherwise we're just gonna have to get over fenders and paint and wrap, and that wouldn't be bad either. I just don't have all the money right now, but here they are. They look farther out because it's resting on the caliper on both. Luckily it doesn't hit anything on the back side of the wheels, as best I can tell. So here they are, boys. I'm gonna be so excited when we finally get them fitted. We're gonna have a proper stance car here. But I've been super careful with these while they've been in the air. I mean, my hands really aren't that dirty. And then I'm about to message the guy. I don't know if it's better to ceramic coat over the sticker or put the sticker on after the ceramic coat. I don't know, but here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything dismantled and cleaned up. But I do have a funny story for you guys real quick, other than this, because this will be a funny story when I finally get them fitted. But Spencer took a trip to Chemical Guys and got a whole bunch of Chemical Guys stuff, right? Like, we talking like $300. He got a call from his dad and he was like, hey, so I figured out what happened. The money got deposited into your account instead of mine. He was like, okay. I don't know what he's gonna do about it. I think he's just gonna move money from savings to checking, but that is kind of funny. Anyways, y'all, I'm sorry for talking so much. Let's get this bad boy back put together. All right, so I really want to see how these fit. What I'm gonna do is I put the front wheel on, you can't see it, and then I'm gonna lower this down on the wooden blocks and then see the fitment. So enjoy. I don't want the back of the barrel to hit though. That's the problem here. Oh, hell yes. All right, it still looks bad on here, but oh man. All right, time to clean up. Listen, I know I said I was gonna put my car back together, but it is so insanely cold. I had to come inside and sit next to the heater. I had some pizza and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go get warm and like be able to go back out. And guess who's just full and tired? Let's do it. So a couple last things before I finish up this video. One, they definitely asked me what car I had to make sure the wheels would fit over the brakes. Definitely put R32 Skyline. don't know if that's a outdated thing, or if they don't check that, or if something's different about my calipers. I don't know. I know I have bigger rotors, but that shouldn't make a difference, you know. No hate on the company. I still love the wheels. I'm so hyped to actually get them on the car. But I don't know, just a thought. Second thought before I end the video. I got my wiper on. It's a little long, but I just took one of the front ones and used it for this because I replaced the front one. So that's an old front one. Third thought is that I'm still loving the no tint look on this thing. It is a lot brighter during the day, but it just looks so good. I can't tint it now. But yeah, let's talk a little bit about where the car is gonna go from here. So spacers, camber parts for one, fix my body kit fitment even more. I got the wiper done. I have an oil change in like 2,000 kilometers or so. So I'm like halfway through the oil change. Reef spoiler, possibly a lower spoiler, interior, radio, speakers. So I have a lot I have to do to this thing, but I am so excited to really dive into this build. So this has been Fitz Miller, the Skyline, the wheels, back here with another video, and Spencer, I guess. But we will see you guys in the next one.